most part, I have all the wiring somewhat situated. I just kind of piled over there for now. It's all taped up and everything. I'll finish that off when I finish the floor and stuff. Also, too, I'm not going to film any more of me doing the wiring. I know it's really boring and everything. So I'm just going to, once I'm done, I'll just show what it looks like afterwards. And we'll go from there. I'm not going to film it no more. It's a tedious, slow process. No, I meant like wider. Like I needed like 3 inches of wire. Okay. I didn't film me putting this fucking staring rack in. I didn't film me putting the staring rack in, but I had to drill 2 holes. And now it sits kind of right there. It's in a bad spot. It actually sits 5 inches lower than normal and about 3 inches back, which is why I had to make these extension pieces. But we're getting there. But yeah, I'm most likely gonna weld this bracket in. This one here, I'll weld it in, and then I'm probably gonna chop the middle section part of it out. And then we'll go from there. And once that's in, I can focus on the stern column and get that situated. Yeah, normally the rack would sit somewhere up here. Now it sits down there, except the firewall would be way out here more. But I had to put it down low because of the transmission. So it does sit quite significantly, does sit lower. But Oh, and also, I know like the video footage, it's all out of whack. Everything's out of place and everything. All the footage I've been filming, it's all out of place. So it's probably hard to follow. But the whole thing is, I've been waiting about 2 months, maybe 3 months for these upper control arm brackets. And that's what's really holding me back. So I wanted to do these first before I put the steering rack in. But I just simply can't wait. And realistically, that's only where the rack can actually live. So that's why I've been doing the wiring and everything. And I started the inside, but I guess now I can fuck with these pedals and the steering column. And hopefully these upper control arms come in at the end of the week. But we'll see. Okay. I'm just gonna cut it. This is my idea of a brake pedal.